Good morning. Always happens the same thing. Jay, good morning. Welcome. Yeah, NQ has an important resistance right there. I think all of them. The ES has one that I have there, pretty close, 45, 25. Let's review that. Good morning. Before we begin, please remember that trading is risky and you could lose all your capital, so please don't take my trades. Okay. With all that being said, let's jump right into the chart. We did have core PPI. It came within expectations. I think a little bit better though. Yeah. Retail sales better than expected. Empire State Manufacturing Index a lot better than expected. A big surprise there. PPI month over month, it came very good, minus 0.5%, and they were expecting 0.1%. And retail sales, month over month, better than expected as well. This is seasonality, right? Next month, these numbers are going to change big time because we have the holidays and stuff. But all right, so on the market, on the right after the news, was gapping up, right? Still gapping up a little bit, but we were going up to 45.41. Now we're back to 45.22. We have retraced 20 points after the news, and I can attribute that to the dollar bouncing a little bit, but we have a resistance that we violated yesterday. It was a support here. We violated to the downside, and we are retesting it. So I want to see if the dollar does this. This is a clear short for the equity markets, right? I want to see what the dollar does. Okay, but for now, I want to account for this area to continue pushing the dollar down. Okay, that's my first assumption. That's a default assumption, right? In terms of the yields, are bouncing off of this demand that we had here yesterday, 445. It's impressive how these areas can work so precisely. We did have another one here, but it was not fresh, so it bounced before. This was November the 8th, and now finally we crushed the area to this 445. Now this resistance, we have to move it to this level, right? This is the breaking point. This is the breaking point for the rates. All right, so we are off. Let's jump right into the trading screen. We're gapping up. I do not expect the market to continue moving very aggressively to one side, especially after being so overextended. I do expect that the market to balance a little bit. I think that is the safest option, right? Tick chart open positive, but not very much. And same case for the advanced decline, right? We're not gapping up too much. Barely 0.32%. We are in a high volume node, which we violated during the overnight session, but nevertheless we are opening inside the high volume node. That means that some sellers could be active here, and if we break this 06 line to the downside, that will mean intermediate time frame, the intraday time frame bearish bias confirmation, right? Below oh 06. Very quiet. Very quiet here. If we would have opened above this red line, my perception of the market would have been a lot different. Like an open range breakout would be open to an open range breakout and take it long. But since we opened inside the area, I just want the market to clear it before. Uh 15,972. And so we're there. Actually we went above, right? Yeah, the high is 16,049. 040 something, yeah. 049.50, yeah. Yeah, first attempt was unsuccessful, right? First attempt was unsuccessful. Banks gapping up big time, and they look like they're holding there. They look like they're holding. So the high volume node for yesterday is 06 to 12. 06 to 12. Not in trading view. It's different. What is your COT, Ali? For yesterday? For yesterday. Your high volume node? My total control is 9 quarter. 9 quarter. The whole. I have 725. Yeah, but the area, how much is the area? From where to where? The entire day. Oh 06 to 12. It's around there. It's fine. Good, Pearson. Welcome back. Not really. I do have important areas. I do have '06. I do have 500. I could even short today because internals are not as bullish as yesterday. Well, for now, yes. Just waiting my setup to show up. Take early bounce from the zero and not very bullish. Advanced decline is about to give me a divergence. Advanced decline is about to give me a divergence. I don't want to be overly aggressive with the shorts because lower time frame, intermediate time frame bias is long. But right now, the advanced decline is diverging slightly. Not something that I would put in a textbook, but not anymore. Divergence is gone. Tick chart is still bouncing off of zero. All right, so we have the opening range here at 2650. 2650. There you go. Support here. Yeah, the tick location is not good. I mean, it's good for the long, but not for my entry. The timing is not it's not right. We might come to this level before we go up. All right, so we have tick bouncing, bro. Tick bouncing. Even with this a massive selling candle, you see that the imbalance? Like 27, 27, 25, 27, 25. Tick is still above zero. There you go. I think if if tick chart moves down and manage to hold below zero, I'm gonna short at 27.25. Nadik, good morning. How do you like this short, Ale? Yeah. Advanced decline is bullish, but the tick is now like mixed. I have an order at 27.25. Time of day is not bad. New 15-minute is about to open. Advanced decline is going down a little bit, not much. Bro, you cannot set it on Ninja because Ninja has no equity. You have to buy some sort of data. I don't even know. I use it off of TradingView. If you want to buy TradingView, you have to wait a week or something, and I'll give you a discount code 70% for the year. It's the biggest sale they have. Um, it's 70%. They don't have any other sale for the year. They do, but not like this one. 70%. Yeah. TradingView, the full package, like the Pro, whatever, premium. Let's see, we can have 27.25. New 15. Let's see if this new 15 gives us the entry. Tick is looking a lot better now. I was reading earlier about the 30-year bond auction. It was a disaster, bro. Heavy, bad, very bad. For the 30-year bond auction, it was, I think, last week or 2 weeks ago. I don't know. I don't know when was it, but it was very bad. Um, Do you mean to the upside, Jay? Um, I have no affiliation to this guy, but I think you should following him on Twitter or X. Um, he's so good about bonds. You will learn tons. It's called. I'm gonna put it on the chat. Yes, we had very little bids, and the authorized dealers were absorbing like 25% of the overall auction, like the entire amount. It's heavy. All right, so there is a short. Is see how this one goes. It's holding still 20. That's what I don't like. I would have liked this thing to go below 20 and then retrace, but it is what it is. Um, the amount of buying is not heavy. It is sideways. The dollar hasn't been able to break the supply that I have there. That's one thing that I have against, but I have rates going up big time. That helps me big time, and that helps my trade. And also, I have the short end going um, up slower than the long end. That means yield curve is steepening. Yo, ciao, welcome. Um, that's usually bad for the market. Although I do have my entry here at 27, I rather this thing to deep to 18 and then going to 27. Believe it or not, I want this thing to break 20 because that's the overnight that is the overnight demand, right? So a break below will give me some intraday bias confirmation, um, more weakness, right? But we're still holding 20. So what happens is if we get to 27 and we come back, traders are going to be attracted to 20 again because we didn't break it now. You see, now that we're breaking below, if we have a retracement, I like it more because people are not going to re-engage in this 20 again. You understand my idea? Let's review the entire market. So yeah, disconnection, a complete disconnection from the RTY, which is going up again today. I mean, all of them are going up, but RTY is more bullish. I don't have any, bro. I don't do levels on the Russell, but it's not hard. Um, I should do it, but if I spend like 30 minutes doing my pre-market, including the Russell, need to add like 15, 20 more minutes. But yeah, I think it's something that I should be doing. All right, so the tick chart is trying to hold above zero, but market is weak. All right, have a good night. Ciao. Yeah, I think he's in Asia somewhere. Nice, congrats, bro. Let's make some money though. Make some money with that account. All right. Nice. Tick chart and advanced decline are now more aligned for the short. 27.25, yeah. 27.25. There's 1950, but the thing is, my target has to be the overnight low, no further than that. Remember, the overall context is positive, bro. You too, bro. Bye. Yeah, dollar rates are going up, but I need the dollar to break this little supply that I have. Mm-hmm. I want to check on the fangs because that could be. Yeah, fangs closed the gap and went to yesterday's low, and they're bouncing a little bit. Tick. Yeah, he's spending the majority of the time above. What happened? What happened? You wanted to take the loan? No? What? No, no. So you really want the short? I'm asking you. Yeah, advanced decline is not very bullish. It's actually trying to come down. Tick chart, it is bullish, although we have had some signs of weakness there. Twice minus 300. It's not much, to be honest. Minus 400. All right, so new 30-minute is in 3 minutes. I could give us the entry. From 972. Nice. No, I showed it from the sweep on 972. So your target is 880, 880. J. So I like what the tick is doing. Not able to go above 400. New 30-minute in 2 minutes. New 30-minute in 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about this chart, bro. It was not able to. So I'd rather just the market going up with the tick below zero. So the volatility on the 30-minute could help us get this trade. If ticks, if the tick goes above 600, bro, I'm gonna kill my trade. Yeah, look at that shit. Hmm. Oh my god. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good for the short. That is absolutely not. What I'm going to do is, since I still like the short, rates are up and the dollar's up, right? Oh, look at that. Look at the tick. Big rejection there. Big rejection off of 600. My volume, is it too low? Yeah, I don't think I. Oh yeah, I adjusted. Big rejection off of 600, bro. What do you say, Ali? I still have the order on. I still have it on. I doubt it's gonna go. Bro, dollar and rates are like very bullish. It's hard for the market to go up with this dollar unless the dollar starts dropping. But look at that, bro. Tick is resilient to the upside, bro. Good part is we cleared 20. So that's good for our risk and reward ratio. Yeah, I do. If tick chart continues like it is, I might cancel this one. Bro, I don't know what to tell you. Look at the tick chart and the market is not going up. Hmm? And advanced decline. Fangs going up. Not much. Time is it? 05. Yeah, no, the ADD is definitely weighted by the Russell. Yeah. No, I don't care about the ADD. Honestly, is a tick chart what is really messing with my head. Rates are going up big time, bro. Big time. 2%. 2%. No, it's not. I mean, either you take it or you don't, right? Let's see if we can have zero and then go up with tick below zero. That will be heaven. That will be really what I want. I want this thing going up and tick zero or below. That means that it's just been pushed. It's been pushed by a few stocks, right? Advanced decline leveling off. Bro, Russell is up 1% after being up 5.5 yesterday. $18.22. They're flat. Bro, the Russell is a machine, bro. How how can you go 5.5 yesterday and then today 1%? Zero again, bro. 1 minute, 1 minuto for 15. Bro, I was not in it for one tick. Am I trying to be too precise? Look at that shit. One tick. Last minute of the 15. Bro, tick is impossible. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's very bullish. Not really. Next 15 in 1 minute. Starting one is already in 15. Yeah, he's so bullish. Let's see how this one goes. A minute. Sellers are not showing up. No, actually, buyers are showing up. So a little bit of selling. Not much. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this thing, Ale. Hmm? Sellers did not show up. Is 31.50. Oh, a little bit of selling, but what's the yeah, look at the tick. Yeah. Forget about it. Oh, I closed it. I closed it. Yeah. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, look at that shit. I don't think it's going to work, bro. Yeah, tick chart is too freaking bullish and advanced decline as well. Yeah. I might have saved half of the position. Who knows? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. No sign of selling. No, no. Look at the total. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Well, I could have early, like half hour. I lost half hour. All right. No. What? I would have been stepped out. Huh? Would have been stepped out. Hmm. Yeah, I didn't like it. I don't know if short is the answer, Jay. I tried my best, but um I don't know if short is is the answer. I I had my stop around 31. Yeah, so I would have been stepped out for a full loss. I cut it in half once the tick was um actually no, I probably would be in the trade. Where was Yeah, where was my stop? Let me see. 3150. Um yeah, let me review it here. 3150. Yeah, yeah, so I will still be in the trade. I will be in the trade still, but I don't know if I trust it. Look at that. I will need to see the tick chart going below zero before I attempt to short again. Why do you say that? Why do you say we're in sell mode? Yeah. Why do you say we're in a sell mode? Uh I don't see it. Like unless tick chart goes below zero, I don't care too much about advanced decline because it's a lot of it is influenced by the Russell, and the Russell is freaking going up 1.2. I don't want to short this thing. Now, I don't have the momentum, location, or the setup for the long. To be honest, it's very risky. It's very, very risky. I think we were overlooked. Bro, yeah, but we broke 20 to the downside. You said like broken and then we'll go back up. Once I saw we broke that 20 and then no holding below, I don't think we're. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like 25, but once you see a slow grind up, no real selling coming, no print, ADD's just trending higher. Yeah, what do you like? 23.75, 23.75. That's making lower lows but no higher highs. We're about to make a higher high, Jay. Well, we haven't broken the pre-market high. Oh, he's looking at the NQ. Yeah. Now, bro, the NQ is gonna if the fangs continue going up, bro. Yeah, no, I would have been out. No, that's it was a good decision. Ideally, tick chart going down was my first trigger after I was in the trade. It's not like. So I saved quite a bit of money. I saved quite a bit of money. I have a bunch of accounts today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 accounts. 26 account today. And I still have some available that I haven't activated yet. Yeah. I think I'm actually taking this if we come back 21 or something. I will actually be looking to that. Have a nice day. Yeah, I think I was too overconfident here with the dollar and rates. I want to show you this. So I had a reason to take that short. Now I have a better reason to close it early, right? Sorry, this one. It is this one. So dollar was going up sharply and rates were going up sharply. Now they are bound yeah, Jay. Yeah. I mean, my man, um I recognize when I'm wrong. You need I mean, we need to be humble. Like this thing can break us apart if we don't respect the market. Um and I've lost a lot to tell you that is a better business when we just don't blindly go with our bias. Yeah. I took a short as well because I'll tell you why I took a short. So I don't know if you can see my footprint here. So I had a candle here at 39. 39. Yeah, this one. You see the footprint here? So aggressive. And then I had the next one was 941. Look at the imbalance from 235 to minus 700. This is a monster candle to short. Or if you have the numbers backwards, is a monster candle to long. This one, right? So my entry was here, 27.25. I said, all right, I can't wait for it to come retest this high volume node. It coincided with the previous candle that was a very, very high volume, very negative delta as well. So I think I'm safe to short. But guess what? I was not. I mean, this was just one sell off and no more orders there. Nobody showed up again. And then in conjunction, like at the same time, we had the dollar peaking here, and now the dollar is retracing. Rates peaking here, 10.10, and what the market did at 10.10, what is a 10.10 right here? Started to break to the upside. Yeah. If you feel like you're over trading, shut the computer off and walk away, bro, because this is so emotional. Trading can be so emotional that can really just screw your day or week or month. If you think you're acting rationally, then keep trading. But if you think your focus and your concentration is impaired by the emotion, just walk away with whatever you're winning. Even if you're still short and no higher high made on the pre-market, you say? Yeah, the pre-market is, yeah, the ES still hasn't broken the pre-market high. Let's see what's going on now. So we have the same scenario right now. You have 34.7, 34 3/4 again for the sell. 34 3/4. But now tick is at 0. Let's see if tick chart goes below 0 sharply, I will attempt the short, but not right now. Yeah, still market is dropping, tick chart is above 0. There's no short for me still, guys. This is just a normal retracement. This is a normal retracement for me. Yes, there's a lot of selling here. There is a lot of selling, but as much as I want to short, this is not the short for me. Not anymore. I already made the mistake once. I'm not gonna make it twice in the same day. If we drop and we have follow through, I will take a retracement. to the short side. And if we come back to these areas and still I have strength in the if we come back to these areas like 23, 22, 20, and we have strength in the internals, I will buy. Tick chart is undeniable that is bullish. I want to show you. Here you see it, right? There you go. So today starts here. Look, we went below zero, 941, 942, and then 953. The rest of the day will be positive. It has been positive. Now, the advanced decline is not as positive, but it's good. 1200. It doesn't have to be 2000. It is very positive. See that? Yeah. So I'm just waiting for my long at 23, 22, or 20, around there. Or if the short is going to show up, this thing has to come down to minus 600 and now start bouncing off of zero. Okay? I don't want to gamble. I want to take a trade that has an edge. I really want to take a trade that has edge. Why I don't take this retracement? Because if I take this retracement here, let's say I want to trade here, where my stop has to be. Stop has to be friggin' at least here. Look at that, is 9 points. Hell no. Look at where my target has to be. 45.50. One of the things that I've learned, I was taught this way. I was taught stop, entry, and then the target, right? That is how I learned. If you don't know, I went to OTA, Online Trading Academy. I don't want to say I was scammed by them, but sort of, whatever. That's another topic. But I was taught stop, entry, and target, right? But now what I do is stop, target, and then I find the entry. So I can have a good risk reward. So if my stop has to be here and my target has to be here, right? Let's say my target has to be here and my stop has to be around here. Let's say here, right? What's the risk and reward ratio that gives me this? This one? No. This one? Yeah. See that? The 23. The 23 with my stop at 19, I can grab this. That's it was a good move that we missed. I missed. I was just looking at the short here. I don't know why. Picture was telling me screaming long. But dollar and rates just fooled, not fooled me. They were going up. Now look at this. Now they're rejecting big time. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. So we had a dip here on the tick chart. Oh, immediate bounce. Immediate bounce. Um, so I have two options. If tick chart starts to look more negative and we have a drop, I will take the retracement. But if we drop and the tick still looks positive, I will take a retracement here. Now 30 is looking a little bit better. 45, 30. And then I have 23, 21, and 19. I don't know if you were in the live stream when I was short and I caught it. I caught it early. Because the tick chart was uh it was not a good trade to begin with. Not because I lost. Not because I lost. So I think the worst of this trade would have gone if I would have won this trade. It was not a good trade to begin with. Tick chart was not showing up. I was believing too much in the dollar and the rates, right? And now they're just dropping a little bit, right? The market is following to the upside. Um, that's my plan. That's my plan. You know me, I cannot take this breakout or any other area that is not like good, right? Like 30 is a little bit risky, but it's the only thing I have now because everything is just overextended. But if I don't take a trade, then I don't. What am I doing, right? It's not the only thing I'm giving up here is location. Location is no bueno. No. Um. Yeah, but I don't see it like that. I remember a time frame is just a cut. If you put it in 3 hours, probably you had a selling candle, right? Because on the pre market we had a um. I don't remember. Time frame is just a cut in time. Um. I like to see the overall context. Now, like my cousin told me, is sustained above 600, is bullish. The good part, and I'm not saying I'm not justifying the short. It was a bad trade. Um, but I was able to recognize on time and not lose the full hour. I lost half hour. Right, full is bad if I just either kept it or I'm still trying to short. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we all will make mistakes. Either you are a professional or not. This is so dynamic. It's easy to make mistakes. What is BRB? Yeah, no, buying was the best option. Buying was the best option. Dale. Nice. Why don't you guys use the Discord? Oh, gotcha. I think 30 will present itself later today, probably in the next hour or two. Just need to be patient. I'm right here. I'm right here. If you need anything, just text in the chat. You want to play soccer on Friday? You don't have what? Down here, Miami. Oh, gotcha. No worries. Little bit of action here. Little bit. Little bit of action. No responsive buyers here. No responsive buyers yet. Tick at minus 600. Advanced decline still high, still bullish. Bro, I could argue with you. He is a lot nicer than where you are. I'm sorry. I mean, I like Boca, but not its vicinities. It's very quiet. Here you have a lot of things. You can order Uber Eats and have it in like 20 minutes. Instacart again 1 hour. It's a lot. It's very good. Yes, where I live, I need a car. I mean, I work from home, but yeah, in Miami, it's not easy to do your life without a car. There you go, my 30. I really just hesitated here. I thought we could have a little bit more responsive buyers. We did have at 1108, but not something that is really good. And then the next two candles are crap. No, it's going up a little bit. The 4 points. I like I said, location is the worst location, right? And I was expecting more responsive buyers there. I don't have good responsive buyers. That means aggressive buying, right? Whereas we had here at 1032. 1032, you have a delta of minus 750 and the candle is green, right? And then on the next candle, you have a positive delta and a negative delta and the candle is still green. Um, and then subsequent buying here. Not in this one. On 30, you just have positive delta at 1108. If I'm buying in a bad location, at least I need to see aggressive buyers. But still, I still like the long though. 23 three quarters, 21.75, 19 three quarters. I'm not sure if it's gonna go down. Dick chart is Dick chart is bro. What are you saying is so hard. Like, how do you know? Like, guessing where the market is going is so difficult, bro. That's what in reality I used to think like that. If I want to buy a 24, why don't I don't sell right now? Or what if it doesn't get there, right? Trying to predict this is the wrong way to see this business. We don't know. Nobody knows. I don't think anybody knows. Like a handful of people can know what the market is gonna do today, but I don't think in the long term they know. So I really like 32 three quarters. I'm gonna get rid of this one. 32 three quarters. Um, I want to see if the chart gets to zero and it doesn't go through. I might take it short. Yeah, 32 three quarters. If tick chart does not go above zero, but it is going. There's not much buying though. Yeah, I don't think 32 three quarters is good. I didn't miss it. I was paying attention, but no, I don't like it. I don't like it because of the tick. Look at the tick. Do you look at the tick, Natic? Yeah, that's why you've been living from this, right? For years. You too. There you go. Yeah. Tick speaks to me, bro. Tick speaks to me. Has saved me big time. Big, big time. Not really. It doesn't. I mean, you need to take it with a grain of salt. I mean, you cannot think that it's gonna tell you what's gonna happen. That's it tells you what is happening right now. Oh, really, Jay? I didn't know, bro. That's good. Oh, West Palm. Nice. You drive back. You drive back and forth every day. I drove to Boynton Beach for almost 2 years. Nice. So that is 67th. Yeah. That's close to the Milam's market, right? I used to live in Coral Gables where we wanted a bigger house, so we moved down to South Miami, Pinecrest. That's close to the Milam's. That's where we used to shop. What do you do for a living, Jay? Besides trading? Gotcha. Oh, so you drive around. I'm just gonna ignore you, bro. I'm gonna ignore you. You're gonna open a Pandora box, Spider. Oh, gotcha. Let's open the Pandora's box. Bro, me and my brother, we went to online trading academy. Um, I started trading. When was it? 17 with a friend. Like no school, no knowledge, no learning, no nothing. Just gambling, right? And then I lost some money, right? And then I was looking for a school so I could learn how to trade. And then I found these guys. They milk all the classes, so they were like, I don't know, $12,000, 12,000, 15,000, you name it. So I was desperate because I wanted to learn this. And we went to the thing and we enrolled, right? Um, but at the end of the day, they say that they have a patent for the formations, but if you don't know what the formations are, is rally based rally, drop based drop, drop based rally, and rally based drop. So before, when they were big, you couldn't say that outside the school. Like, that was, you basically are committed not to tell anybody what's their method, right? But that is crap. Like, um, so they have a format where you go for a week and then you learn futures trading, and then you go another week and you learn forex trading, and then you learn another week and you learn options trading. And basically, they don't give you an overall context of the futures market. They give you a bunch of slides and they tell you the futures market's history, but they don't teach you how to trade. They just teach you how to see candles and that's it. I mean, if you see this type of formation, that might be a support. That might be a demand. That might be a supply. But I might have taken the futures class, not exaggerating, right? Honestly, 9 times. Because after you buy the class, you can retake it as many times as you want. And I took advantage of that. Like, I live in Miami. Fort Lauderdale was their main, office. So and in West Palm as well. So I basically went there every other week. Like I really wanted to learn this. But then I realized that the guy who was teaching me was not trading. Like he was just paper trading, right? And I'm not talking about just one instructor. Like the vast majority of their instructors, they don't trade. They just need to show up a bank statement that they were profitable for a month or two. Not even if they're teaching futures, they need to be profitable trading futures or day trading futures. They just need to show up a positive bank statement. Sorry, brokerage statement, so they hire an instructor, right? And then I started to realize like this thing is just I don't even know if it works. Um, no, I cannot say everything that I learned there was bad. I I learned pattern recognition big time. I learned a bunch of stuff, and it's something that I cannot erase from my life. Like 2 years that I spent with them learning, or 1.5 year, whatever. Um, and they were sued by the FTC, and they settled the case, so they had to pay back like I don't know if it was $6 million. They're still alive, and I have my username and stuff, and I could get any class, but I'll tell you, for the amount of money that you spend there, it's not worth it. If I knew whatever I know now, I wouldn't take any class. Like I will find a mentor or someone, either online or if I know someone. Uh, but the way I trade is not even close of what they teach. It's nothing like the way I trade, right? Well, I was very inexperienced um, about the markets. I'm from South America, so there's no finance culture in South America, right? Um, there's a market, but it's not like people invest in the market, right? Like here. That was years ago, and I wanted someone to teach me. Like, and back then the internet was not as big as, I mean, it was, but I don't know if I could feel good someone teaching me online, whatever. Um, the fact is that I went there, spent a big chunk of money, and didn't learn shit. Like I lost a lot of money after I took those classes. Yeah, I don't think you can teach nobody trading. Like I'm trying to help my cousin. My cousin here, he comes here every day, right? And I teach him whatever I teach him, right? But it's his effort, his work, what is going to teach him, right? I was never taught that in OTA. Nobody told me to have realistic expectations. Um, they had one psychology class once a month or once every 2 weeks, whatever, and it was just crap. Like you need to meditate, you need to have this morning routine. Yes, bullshit, right? Like how to do the work, bro. How do I do back test, right? Why do I need to see? What do I need to, you know, um, to do in order for me to become better? Um, Oh, okay. Nice. Um, so you have a lot of experience with markets, right? I did not have any experience with market. Um, all right. So we have a little bit of a shift in momentum right now. 2850. 2850. Where is 2850? Yep. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna continue here. Yeah, there's no work for you, right? Things changed. Um, yeah. 2850. 2850. Yeah, I'm gonna pay attention to the 20s as well. I like 2850 for the shore as well. We don't have a shift in momentum. But bro, that's the story. It's not that I regret going there because that was my introductory level, if you will. But it was so expensive, right? And it was an important amount of money. And me and my brother would spend that. Um yeah, that's true, but I was so interested in learning that I would have set that money aside for like a someone to teach me, right? I already at this point I already realized that I was just wasting my money, right? I had no methodology, I had no trading plan, no trading strategy, no risk management. I had nothing. Um so I think I lost more money because I knew whatever they taught me. that's that's the honest answer. I think I lost more money after because I knew whatever they taught me. Very big shift in momentum now. So the yeah, Natix 30. 32 three quarters was a good spot. Now you can argue, but tick chart was not following through. So if I have 28 50 again, I will take it. I thought you gave me that level. I was the one giving it to you. Bro, next time, since you know what is going to happen, you should tell me, bro, so we all make money, not only you. All right, let me get rid of this. Bro, I learned in this business to believe no one, nobody. And if you don't want to believe me, that's fine. I respect that. If you haven't achieved whatever you want, like if you look up to a mentor and he has not achieved um what you want to achieve or something that you want to mirror, why you should get advice from them? I don't advise nobody here. I just sharing my story, right? um but I do have mentors that I look up to, like, that have done whatever I want to do with my life, right? Not only in trading, but in other aspects. Hey Jay, when you're here, you can text me, bro. If you work here every day, can get together, have lunch, whatever. Yeah, no, I text. No worries, bro. All right. Do you buy a 20 spider? Oh, okay. I might take 2750. I might take 2750. We still have a divergence on the advanced decline at that level. It's a new 15 minutes, so we could have a retracement. Yeah, I had the support there. I had few supports like 23, 21 three quarters, and 19 three quarters. I'm gonna wait for 27.50. $87. I'm gonna correct here the 87 because I think my other accounts are just closed for the day. Yeah, so I'm only taking the 87. Yes. Only 12 accounts for this next trade. Because my Apex and the other ones are already locked out for the time. I don't know any. Yeah, NQ is selling off harder than the ES, bro. ES is lagging there. Now all of them are dropping. Bro, Jay, that shit is the NQ makes me like I get high off of watching the NQ. I get high off of watching the NQ. I had to stop. It's too volatile. Come on. 22. I don't like the I mean where you enter, but I think a continuation to the downside is likely. Advanced decline is not very bullish. It's basically sideways plus 600. So that tells me that we have some potential to the downside. Tick chart now since what is this? Since 1047 being skewed to the downside. 1047, so that's 1 hour. Now ideally for me, 24 or 2750 if we could get there. Three more minutes for this 15 and then a new 30-minute candle. Is your B? Is your B? Yeah, big time, bro. Big time. It is raining. No outside work today. So the 15 minutes is one more minute to go. See if we can get 24. Yo, I'm impressed how we haven't been able to break 20. And we had momentum. We had minus 1155 on the tick. All right, new 15. Moment of truth. All of them pushing down, but the Dow is not. RTY is breaking the low. NQ is holding. Dow is more neutral. But I like the short. No, I do for 2000. It's very similar to the 1 minute, but you're able to see how many contracts are in. So why I use 2000 is because in like between 9:30 and 10:30, which is the highest volume for the RTH, every candle is similar to the 1 minute candle. So what I'm trying to tell you is that every 2000 contracts a candle closes, it'll take about 1 minute or a little bit less, right? That's why I chose the 2000. So you can do this math and change yours, right? For instance, 6 times 60 is 390 minutes, right? 90 minute, and the volume average for the ES tell you what's the volume average for the ES. Is 1,681,000. Divided by 390 is yeah. So my candle is like 30-second candle. When the highest volume is in the market, right? But right now is probably taking like a 1 minute or minute and a half for it to close 2000. And why I use volume chart is because I am able to see what happened inside the candle. And in the 1 minute you don't see what happened in. You will have to have volume profile, right? It's basically I'm having volume profile, but instead of plotting volume profile, I have it in candles. So I got accustomed to it. Still in it, Spider? What's your stop? I do like 23 3/4 or 24, call it 24, or on 27. Yeah, not even got to 24. This thing. Last five on the last five on the 15. Welcome. Yes, I'm just waiting for. Look, we didn't even get to 24. There's a new 15-minute candle coming up in 4 minutes. See if we get 24 or 27. I'm looking for those two levels. 24 or 27. Bro, shy from 24. So NQ closed the gap. ES still has some more room. We cannot even talk about the RTY. Freaking RTY is skyrocketing. I mean, not skyrocketing, but it's retracing right now, but it's far from the gap close. Same for the Dow. The gap close for the ES is 45.10. That's very doable. That's very doable. Uh, uh, what do you mean, Jay? You think is going to drop? You want the news candle? What was it? Oh, like it went up and then came back down. Yeah, bro, we've been within that range the entire day. 15 points. Oh, on the ES. That's not much. And we were due for a sideways day. It is lunchtime. See you guys tomorrow. I might take 24 or 27. But probably in the afternoon if I'm here. Like I had the entire day to be here, so I could. All right, guys. Very long live stream today, but entertaining. I hope you had a good day. Now, I'm gonna go lunch, bro. I'm gonna go lunch. I might take another trade, but not in all accounts. I have 18 accounts logged out already because I have a timer at after 12. I cannot trade them, but I still have like 10 and to like 12 accounts that are not restricted in that sense. All right, guys. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice rest of the day. Bye.